Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to convert the following mixed fraction into its improper form. So the fraction given to us is 4, 1 upon 4. Now remember that an improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. So 4, 1 upon 4 can be written as 4 multiplied by 4 plus 1 upon 4, which is nothing but 16 plus 1 upon 4, which is 17 upon 4. Now it satisfies the conditions of an improper fraction, that is numerator should be greater than denominator. So this will be the final required answer. Now if you want to generalize the formula, we can say that if there is a mixed fraction in the form of p q upon r, then the improper form will be p multiplied by r plus q upon r. So if we want to compare 4 1 upon 4 with pq upon r, then the value of p will be equals 4, the value of q will be equals 1, and the value of r will be equals 4. So p into r, that is 4 multiplied by 4, and then plus q, which is 1, upon r, which is equals 4, and which comes out to be 17 upon 4. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.